Hey folks, I'm up this Pinnacle baseball card gets a 10th anniversary. I don't remember checking this box out. The only problem I have with this, the damage right here. I paid like $3 for this. You could probably get a Chrissy Wrigley's collection here, a bunch of other cards. I have no really that much knowledge about it. Right here it tells you the odds. Right here, make it clear. So I get a 3D something card, 316 3D cards or something. We'll find out. Let's see what's inside. Some of these packages really. Well, I got this in the mail too. Woo! God, sometimes these packets are just. I'm in a hospital, so they're don't trust me knives. So I got the first. Let's see. Let's see what kind of packets I get. Yes, my nails are red. I'm bored. Yeah, please like, comment, tell me what you think about my channel. Sometimes they're like kind of sticky. The first one, Jason. Kind of weird feeling to this. Is either 3D or yeah, they're kind of unique. Tom here. Oh, the Hurt. Big Hurt. Hall of Famer. Oh, I see how it works. That's kind of cool. Well, okay. Jack with the they get traded to the NWB part of the Indians. So you go in. Ooh. That's kind of cool. Oh, so, but they're not really much in the back. Oh, Mark Wire. Okay. I have never opened this kind of card before. I think they're trying to do something different or something. Around like 6, I kind of quick opening packages. I got time. There's some more. Yeah, I'm in a hospital. Or like Brewers. Yeah, they're that old logo thing. Moose. Mostly with the Cubs. His father used to manage the Giants back in the day. Before Desi Baker took over. Ooh, Corey. That's oh gosh. Hall of Famer. Or Hall. Well, this guy did some bad things. Other Hall of Famer. Got fired. There you go. A couple Hall of Famers. Can't see this, somebody's not focused. Me, I never did. There we go. God. They're like fighting me. Like everything has to fight me these days. Here is Jack Bagwell, Hall of Famer. He was with Boston and they traded him. Big mistake, Albert Bella. What are these cards? Oh, Griffey Jr. Woo! Always good to have his cards. I think the 6-year in the majors. Let's see here. Oh, Mark Bickert. Got her once again. Bickert, off Famer. Wait, look. Each one. I got tons of this guy's cards. Got Minor League Jose Canseco with the Red Sox. Yeah. Okay. These cards are Jose Canseco card. Ricky, Hall of Famer. Oh, this guy used to be a great player. Rookie, look at his rookie card. Got interesting cards. There you go. Goddamn. I remember having these players. Yankees. Yankees, signed with the Yankees. Kenny. Batting average of 243. Not really that good. Twig Win, Hall of Famer. We got a big card again. That's wrong with his cards. Ruffle. Oh, that's kind of. Oh, that's a cool. You can't really see it in this thing. This is supposed to be the 360. That's kind of cool. The 360. And once again, Griffey Jr. 360. Two kind of cards. Turn Wade. One Wade. Checklist. Well, of course, Hall of Famer. Checklist. Behind there. Gosh. Look at that. How many strikeouts? David Cohen. Oh, I see. His name changes to 100. Cohen, and how many strikeouts? 100. This guy's a good pitcher during his time. Not a Hall of Famer, but I used to like him. Mets player. Billy. I see. They show the batting. Albert Bell. Tommy, Sam. Let's go. Oh, 360. That's kind of cool. Garth has time. Maybe two part of Sam. I got our 360 right here. Roger Sanders. The Reds. Guy had not good. Batting average 194. Bitch. Oh, Muto. Next one should be a Hall of Famer coming up. Got a Hall of Famer. Justice. Look at that, that's kind of cool. Kirby, yeah. Very hell run. So yay, I run. I'm touching the bat. this guy. Bad ball, bad ball. There you go, Lawrence. Checklist, Ken Griffey Jr. again. Got a bunch of great. Mark Grier. Probably the miss of playing this guy till 2031. July 1st. You got Ken Griffey Jr. again. 360 card. We got our 360 card. Larry Walker, our Hall of Famer. Yeah, I'm in the hospital right now. Oh, got 360. Barry Bonds. Oh, he looks like he's dancing. Dancing by myself. I'm dancing. I amuse myself. Our cool Hall of Famer. David Justice again. Larry Walker, Hall of Famer. Kind of hard to see through this thing. The left in. And try to make this video not too long. So let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. Look at 360. I'm already 360. Hall of Famer. 360. Once again, Barry Bonds doing his happy dance. Shelly Davis. Always like that name. You have a name, man. Baseball name. Maybe get another Ryan. Oh, cool. Blvd. First baseman. That's cool. That's really good. Started his first year with the Red Sox. I think the back shows those stats. Got Giants. What Giant got here? Oops, tipped it. Roger Sandy. Mel Williams. That was kind of cool. What do we got here? Rookie guy. Talked about a little bit. Never heard of this guy, but I don't remember him. Oh, that's cool. Rookie, Sean Chansford. Big guy here, checklist. And of course, Hall of Famer on it. I don't mind a checklist, honestly. Our Hall of Famer, Copperkin Jr. Do I hear Phillips? Marvin or something? One. Slugging. Chipper Jones. That's cool. Chipper Jones, Hall of Famer. 360. All-Star for the first time in 1985. Mia was his LA Player of the Month. It may have batting average 394. That's cool. Oh no, that's not Chipper Jones. Made a mistake. Here's Chipper Jones. Sorry, I was curious with Martinez. Mostly with the Reds, with the Red Sox, the first World Series. Gary Sheffield, Hall of Famer. Got a lot of Hall of Famers. Pretty good pack. Ozzy. Oh, it's cool. Like Mill is. I think it's flying. It's kind of a cool picture. It's one of the best ones right there. That's awesome. That's Ozzy. You should see that one video of him and Will Clark in a fight. There you go, Phil. Oh. Tom Raven. Off Famer. Oh, Ranger. Oh, I think he just started with maybe a third season with the Memoir. Park. Cool player. Bad ball. Another one. I drop it. Tony Clark, rookie. A little story about him right there. Oh yeah, he does. He's working with Giants now. He does. Brock. Damn it, some of these cards are not. This guy's broadcast does work with NBC local rookie card. I don't know how to get. Oh, Mark Grace. My dear players with the Cubs. I got some players I like a different. Will Clark with Rangers. God, some of these names are just. Will Clark with the Rangers. Should be a Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Oh, that's kind of cool. Anniversary. There he is. Eddie Gates has his card. Hall of Famer right here. Mike. Hall of Famer. A lot of people didn't like him. Say he was spoiled little brat or something. Rookie, more rookies. Put this right here. Let's see. Or Horsizer. No, not Horsizer. Him. I like Horsizer. Let's get things wrong. Brady Bonds should be a Hall of Famer. He looks very tense. Like, I'm staring at you. I'm drinking. I'm going to stare at you again. Blvd. Randy Johnson again. That's cool. I know. Here's the last. Blvd card. Brewer guy. I really don't meet players and Brewers. He played with the Giants and the Cubs. I don't know much his career. Oh, rookie guy, a Hall of Famer. Yeah, he was a catcher, then second base, and went to outfield. Rookie guy again. I know what rookies look like. There he is. Rookie. Don't know much his card. Last career. Oh, Brian. Hunter. Barry Bonds again. I'm pissed. I'm going to drink. I'm ticked off. I'm going to drink. Trade to the Yankees. Hall of Fame right here. Really liking a Hall of Famer. Kings. Hall of Famer again. Yeah, I'm not complaining about getting Timmy his cards, really. Here we go. Rookie card. Here. Anderson. I guess Mark Guar again. Could be a Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Hey, very Hall of Famer. I think it was like this last year in the majors. If I'm wrong, please put in the comment section. 3D again. Cal Rickin. Looks a lot better. And kind of cool. 3D. Oh yeah, I can show you what it really looks like. Let's see here. Got Rick 360 again. Hall of Famer. Ball put in. So interesting. So, Brian. Sammy Social. Guy's Ricky card. But it's not as Ricky bad. In the past, I got a bunch of rookie guy again. And our rookie. Let's see here. 360 again. That's kind of cool. Sammy Socha again. Should be Hall of Famer. Ozzy. This is like, once again, this is my favorite. Like back-to-back Sammy again. Trades to the Yankees. Card again. That's a cool picture. A-Rod. Should be Hall of Famer, my guess. One of the best players. Almost went to the Red Sox. Tony Clark. Rookie. Chris. Rookie guy again. Oh. Can't we? Not much about this guy. Owner. T. Snow, I remember him. He had his last game, the majors, had a contract with the Giants. Play one game. He's fielded. So in his career with the Giants. They were Giants. Came along. They must like the guy. Lampard was a good card. Charles Johnson. And 360 again. Barry Sheffield, Hall of Famer. Christian. Martinez. Ryan. Yankee. Wade Boggs. He's a Hall of Famer, but he chose to retire for the Millers. But look at this guy. Oh, it's awesome. Woo. That's so awesome. Hold on, I got tons of stuff. Yeah, Williams 3D60 card. Look at clear card. John shortstop Benders. This guy's like, hold up. Jim Thorne? Yeah, Hall of Famer had Jim Thorne. Fred McGriff. One of my favorite players. Great guy. He was on Seinfeld one episodes. Trade to the Mets. Oh, let's get Hall of Fame right here. Right, the Twins. Rookie guy. Don't know much about you at all. Rookie guy again. Don't know much about this guy either. See what kind of cards. World decoration on the table. Oh man, I'm kind of clumsy. Very clumsy. I'll see that one card for the last one. Yeah, let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. Tell me the first time I open this kind of pack my entire life. Here we go, move on again. Repeats. South Feeder. He had that 1 year, 54 video home runs. He had a son. Prince Feeder. Derek Bill. There you go. Okay. There you go. Rookie guy. Carlos Chase. Cool. Checklist. Yeah, Cover King Jr. Angels. I don't really know any players on the Angels. Anyway, Hall of Famer, yeah, Greg. I want to show the batting average for pitchers. They're not going to have bad. Hall of Famer right here. Yeah, these cards are kind of sticky. Press 360 again. Mobile. Travis French. Hall of Famer, Sammy Sosa. 360 should be Hall of Famer. My opinion. Got no more rookie guy again. Howard Battle. Rookie. Hopper. Robert. Yeah, he did some dumb things. Got fired. And when they do, he's still Hall of Famer, but he did really stupid things. Sammy Sosa again, 360. Let's see. Yeah, let me know what kind of cards. We do other things this channel. We go ghost hunting, rookie guy. Do other things this channel. It's kind of weird. Glove. The hell? It's like kind of rigging. There's a glove or something. That's the oddest thing ever. Okay, I get it. Here, yeah, that's the weirdest thing. We do other things in the channel, ghost hunting, different things in the hospitals, so I'm grabbing Hall of Famer. Or Hall of Fame 360. This company was too much ahead of their time. These are gonna have Hall of Famers. A lot of repeats. The other problem claiming he's gonna get a lot of repeats. Saying social. Hunter. Rebel. Dave Cohn. These are different. Larry Logan. Rookie guy. Nice. Carlson. Orioles player. These cards are just want to fight me. Oh, Hall of Famer Roger Clemens, 255 back average against. Oh, they bad 259 against him. Let me see. That's kind of cool. .360 again, Larry Locker. I love my Patriots pride. I need to wear shades. Here we go, got a rookie. A lot of repeats. Let me go fast. Oh, the guy slipping slide. Oh, 360. That's why. That's kind of weird. Right, Bill. Third base, Matt Williams. Right field. Jeff Gunning. Hall of Famer. J. Bill. Mobile. Rookie guy again. Dustin. Dear Jeter. Rookie. Oh my god. That's so awesome. Oh my god. Rookie guy. Look at how young you look, like a little baby. That's really awesome. Got rookie. Great. Bonds. Not Barry Bonds. Yeah, Deion Sanders. Oh, Deion Sanders, the Giants. That's really cool. Yeah, he did play the 49ers. Yeah, contract. He plays one team. One football team has to be the baseball team. Yeah, we understand it was like prime time. Here goes some more. Again, Hall of Famer. That's creepy. So, should be Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Grace. Thanks. Bite me. Mark Grace. MRS rookie guy. Clean that pack up. 3 more go. Oh, cool. Jeff Bagwell. Rookie. I got his minor league card. Special theater. Year he had like 21. I don't see. I don't know. And then checklist. Oh my God, 2 cheaters. Oh my goodness. Somebody go to the bathroom. There you go. Near the end of this, almost done. I'm going a little faster for you guys. Finish this quick and stuff. Wait, definitely really good cheater cards. There we go, Tony Clark. There, Derek somebody. Gary Sanfield, Hall of Famer. Matt Williams. And the last. Great 60 card. T. Sherhoff. And the last one. Yeah, like one more maybe. Rookie guys. People I never heard of. But I was really excited to get these things. Woo! Two cheater rookies. Guys like a baby. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do better next time. Alright, thank you very much for watching this.